Our world is deeply confused. In the name of freedom, people have rejected norms based on the historic teachings of biblical Christianity and have embraced unfettered liberation in the pursuit of immediate pleasure, power, or prestige. The authority of Scripture has in many quarters been replaced by the authority of individual desire coupled with group identity. This shift is dramatically transforming our society. People are anxious and fearful. Trust in basic institutions is declining rapidly, and the most fundamental assumptions about what it means to be human are being called into question. Many of our society's most vexing problems are at root tied to a single idea that we've lost sight of, namely, humans are created in the image of God. This doctrine of the Imago Dei is the only solid foundation for a strong account of human rights or for claiming that each person has inherent worth and dignity. To abandon this essential doctrine is to reject a basic principle upon which our civilization has been built. We at Patrick Henry College are convinced that the loss of the doctrine of the Imago Dei lies at the heart of many of our moral, political, and social confusions. Join us as we explore the meaning of the Imago Dei as it relates to some of the most contentious issues of our age.